Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mike Espo, and I got a gift today from a friend. He sent a box from Auto World. It's for my junkyard that I'm building, and he sends a Chevrolet pickup truck in Sea Crest Green, one of 10,318. Chrome bumper, painted headlights, chrome rear bumper, rubber tires, and a wood bed. This is super cool. I am going to crack it open. I will be using it in my junkyard set. I won't paint it though. I'm going to keep it really mint, as if it's one of the restored vehicles on the junkyard that either the owner drives or it's for sale. I want to show you something really interesting. You guys remember this car, the 310 Porsche, black and cream, in a 9-pack. It was pretty rare for a while. I haven't seen them out again. Today I found, check this out, Hot Wheels 9-pack, and check that Porsche out. The exclusive Porsche 310 in two-tone green, a dark green and a light green. They had 10 packages of 9-packs. They did not have the black and white Porsche. They only had this one, and I'm pretty sure it's rare. I haven't seen another green, two-tone green 310 Porsche out there in a 9-pack. Really nice. And then just one more item I got from my junkyard. There it is, guys. A crawler. I don't know if you know what a crawler is. It's a BP 183 crawler crane in 1/64 scale. Really nice. Let's crack it open. This is made in Hong Kong. And there you go. I'm going to use this crawler to move my shipping containers around. And I'll make a custom magnet for it to pick up the junkyard cars off the trailers and back of trucks as they pull in. So it's a great day in the junkyard business. My mini construction crane has arrived, made in Hong Kong, 1/64 scale. It's pretty cool. I'm just gonna touch it up with a little dusting, a little weathering to make it look like it's used. Hitachi super crane, moving parts. I think it looks just great in the junkyard. It's a great addition to the junkyard. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy seeing the crane, the Johnny Lightning Ford Chevrolet pickup, and of course this rare two-tone green 310 Porsche. I don't know if you've seen it out there yet. Look for it. It's super cool. Leave your comments down below. Please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, God bless. Thanks for watching. Mike Espo.